I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the CPU throttling test on the iQOO 3 device after the latest Android 11 update. As you can see, this is the iQOO 3 smartphone which I'm trying to use. So before the Android 11 update, I did a couple of CPU throttling tests in this phone, and I did take the screenshots as well. I'll try to compare the scores after the Android 11 update and before the Android 11 update. So let's see, is there any kind of performance decreased or increased in terms of CPU throttling? How much CPU throttling is happening right now? That is what I'm going to show you in this entire video. So right now I'm trying to use Android 11, as you can see friends clearly. So this is a request which was asked by a couple of subscribers as well who are having the iQOO 3 device. They did ask me to check the CPU throttling. As you can see, this is a message I am getting from the past couple of days. So on this Android 11 update, what is the CPU throttling, how much it's kind of throttling, that is what I want to check it. So let's see how much will be the throttling score we can actually expect in this phone. So let me try to clear all the background applications first. So all the background applications are cleared and there is no Wi-Fi connection, and 50% brightness I'm trying to use during this time of testing. And this is a CPU throttling application which I'm trying to use in the ultra game mode. So the reason is because you should add this CPU throttling into the ultra game mode. Only then you will be able to know what is the potential of this phone while gaming. That is what I'm trying to simulate in this way. And let's do the options. Let me try to show you. I'm trying to use the number of threads, 100 threads and 15 minutes. The reason is because I did do the same kind of testing, same settings I have used before as well. So what are the screenshots I have taken? Same screenshots, everything will be having same kind of settings. This was done before the Android 11 update using the same 100 threads and for 15 minutes. That is the reason I'm not trying to change the number of threads to 20. I'll stick to the 100 only in this case. I'll try to use the 100 and 15 minutes. I'll try to see right now how much the CPU throttling we can expect in the iQOO 3 device after the Android 11 update. So let me try to continue. So first let's check the temperatures, how much the temperature is in the phone right now. That is what I'm going. Right now the temperature is about 33 degrees, as you can see, 33, 32. And back at 33, 34, not bad. As you can see friends, 33 and 34. So my room temperature is 30 degrees. So 30, as you can see friends, it's kind of only 3 degrees more and 4 degrees more, nothing much, as you can see at this point. So I'll try to compare this graph. So this exact graph, I'll try to compare with the before. So before update and after update, how much the graph decreased and increased. Is there any change in the graph or not? What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? So average value. I'll try to check each and every small detail in this video. Make sure to use the number of threads to 100 and try in your smartphone. If you use the 20 threads, definitely the performance number will be less. So that is the reason I'm trying to specifically show you the settings as well. What settings I'm trying to show you. So you should know these things before actually doing the CPU throttling test. So let's see friends how much temperature can increase and how much score we can actually get. So before the update, I got I think score about 3,40,000 around the maximum performance, maximum peak performance. That is what I got in this phone. But right now after the Android 11 update, we'll be able to see how much will be the peak performance. So this kind of test is going to be really very interesting friends in this iQOO 3 device. So this is my day 6 of using this iQOO 3 device, and it's really powerful device. I would say definitely powerful in every manner. So very stronger and very steady in the build quality and a lot of weight, and so much powerful in the performance wise as well. It's really good, the beast performance in this phone. So right now as you can see, let's check the temperatures, how much it is for the first 2 minutes. So 37 degrees, it increased to 37, not bad. And back side 34, 35. So again I'll be back after maybe 5 minutes of time. So after 5 minutes we'll be able to check how much the CPU throttling is and how much the temperatures are. So that's what I'm going to concentrate. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to 6 minutes as well. And let's check the temperatures, how much the phone increased. So right now the temperature is about 39.6. 39.6 as you can see. So after the Android 11 update, I did notice this kind of change slightly. I think the temperatures are increasing in this phone little bit more than usual. So 39 is the highest temperature reached. On the back side 37 degrees, but not much. On 38, as you can see, 38 degrees on the back side and 39.2 on the front side. So 39 is the highest temperature recorded. So just now, so try to use only the 100 threads and 15 minutes and try to check in your mobile phone. So let's do the same testing. So let's be on same page, try to use, and if you see any kind of changes, so if you see like huge change when compared with my score, then make sure to comment below. So if it is like same like my scores, and that should be kind of okay, friends, because same thing I am experiencing in this phone as well from the beginning. That is what I'm going to check. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's see in the 10 minutes how much the temperatures can increase, whether it can cross 40 degrees or not. So right now 39.2 is the highest recorded temperature. 39.6, as you can see, 39.6, not 39.8, 40 degrees, 40.2. So 40.2 degrees, the phone reached 40.2 after 8 minutes of time. My room temperature is pretty normal, 30 degrees. You can see, friends, right now 40.2, 40 degrees the phone has been reached. So definitely this feels kind of really hot as well in the backside, and the weight. So all these factors make really like tough to play for long hours, this kind of huge weight. So let's see for the 10 minutes how much the score can be there. Till now it was performing really good, not bad. Using this kind of 100 threads performance, it was doing really great. So right now we are kind of close to 10 minutes. As you can see, it's exactly 10 minutes of time. Let's check how much the temperatures of the phone can be there. So right now 40.2 degrees is the highest recorded temperature so far in this phone. So 40.2 is the highest. On the back side 34, 35, 36, 38, 38.8. So 38.8 on the back side, and front side is 40.2 degrees. So let's see how much the CPU will be throttled by using this kind of settings. That is what I'm going to see. So again, I'll be back maybe close to 14 minutes of time. So let's check in the 14 minutes how much the temperatures and everything. I'll try to conclude, but overall I think the highest temperature reached is about 40.2 degrees is the highest so far reached in this smartphone. So now we are getting close to 15 minutes, friends. In 15 minutes the performance score did not decrease below 3 lakhs. No. So highest temperature which I have seen only 40.2 is 40.4 is highest. Somewhere around here 40.4 I did see. So maybe 40.2 is the highest temperature recorded, and the backside is 38. So I'll try to take this kind of screenshot and I'll try to compare as well with the previous scores, so we will be able to understand. So after Android 11 update and before Android 11 update, I'll try to show you exactly the proofs. So I'm trying to use 100 threads and try to run for 15 minutes exactly, and try to check the scores. What is my score and what is your score? Try to compare. So only in this way you'll be able to get to know how is both phones behaving. So these are the scores which I got, as you can see, friends. So right now no throttling, no CPU thermal throttling detected, as you can see. So let me try to show you the before results, what is happening before results. So this is exactly before screenshot. As you can see, before what has happened is the CPU throttle up to 89%. You can see clearly before. But one thing you did notice, the performance maximum, it went up to 3,42,000. The performance is maximum 3,42,000, and the average 324, and the minimum 221. As you can see, this one time I did, there are two screenshots which are taken. This another time which the CPU throttle up to 91%, 3,41,000. But what has happened is that after the Android 11 update, the performance slightly decreased. That's kind of strange, as you can see here clearly. So this before Android 11 and after Android 11, 329 versus 341, average 323, average 330 before Android 11 update, minimum 313 and minimum 311, as you can see, friends. So maybe to maintain the low temperatures, I think so they did decrease that performance. I think maybe after the Android 11 update, I'm not sure what has happened, but I'll try to do the multiple times CPU throttling test, and I'll try to keep you posted what is happening. I'll try to take the screenshot right now. I'll try to even mention that Android 11 update. So after Android 11 update, something like that, so we will know exactly. So when this screenshot is taken, I'll just try to write down this Android 11 after Android 11 update. So this is what I just want to save in the gallery, so later on when I try to show you the results, so we should know before Android 11 update, after Android 11 update. But definitely, friends, the performance is slightly decreased, but CPU throttling is not throttle anything. That is what I'm trying to see here, as you can see. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And overall the temperature increased up to 40 degrees during this time of testing. Try to use exactly same settings, 100 threads, run for 15 minutes. Just see how much score you are getting here. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.